Hello, it's Good Pretend Gamer again on CG Murder. Dude, you got the best name ever. It fits you so well.
Well, at least I killed you. I never went on that boat when I was the murderer.
I don't care.
Your voice is annoying, so I guess you no good.
Oh, that thing doesn't work when I say cheese.
Let's follow him. Let's follow this Justin Bieber dude.
I can't remember the last time I had. Well, they're never gonna make a stuffing out of me. Can't you see I'm busy?
Why do I got everyone following me?
Because we want you to be our leader. You are now our leader. You are our leader. We believe in you. We are your believers.
Blue Justin here, I know you're the murderer, okay? I saw you with the knife.
I'm not the murderer.
This is different.
Oh. What happened? Oh.
Everybody dead in there.
Oh. Yeah, let him stand there. Don't get... Rip. Just... Oh.
It's Tom Cruise. No, it's the guy above. Look at his face.
What happened in there?
Don't let him do his knife.
You're our only witness. What happened in there?
His knife anymore.
Oh, okay.
And he died.
Oh, shit.
He's got his knife back.
Get him, puppy. Fight him. Fight him. Fight, fight, fight. Fight, fight, fight. Oh, shit. Oh. Rip. Fight, fight, fight. Hey, son. Follow me, son. Let's get out of here before they get crazy. Let's go, son. It's getting crazy over there.
Who has the gun?
Not me. Actually, I do. I want to actually watch him fight. Come on, Justin. Come on, Justin Bieber. Fight my dog. Get him, Justin Bieber. Fight each other. Yeah, fight each other. There you go. There you go. Stop attacking those people. Just fight my dog. Oh. Calm down, puppy. You're supposed to fight Justin Bieber.
I'm murdered.
Oh,
You two suck, by the way.
man, son. This is such a good show, isn't it? Just watch him fight. Look at that. Go away!
Oh no, it's a Digimon and a blue guy.
Go away, Justin Bieber. Shit, Justin's coming. Run! We don't know that. We don't need that shit.
Please move.
Hello. Oh. Damn! Oh! Well, double rip.
Oh, good.
You killed my dog. Why'd you kill him?
Fucking secret room trying to find a. Wait, can you guys hear me?
Man, you killed my dog.
Yes, we
I was watching those two fight each other.
Who am I? My name is Poop. So embarrassed.
My name is Papa.
And I'm King.
Well, looks like someone decided to be Samus.
Which is fine
I'm
because I
Jay-Z.
have a secret weapon.
Alright, let's go.
Guys, hide behind those. Behind the PS4.
Can you drown in this mode?
Oh shit! Oh, rip. Alright, it's time to make it snow, boys.
How? Can you?
Only way to have fun is to be the murderer, so you don't die.
Okay.
How about you give it to me? I want your give me the hot dog.
No, you don't get it.
No, I get the hot dog. Give it to me.
No, you don't.
Yes,
get
I
the
do.
hot dog, okay?
I get the hot dog. Yes, I do.
Give me the hot dog.
Hey, it works for me.
Somebody took my hot dog!
What?
Somebody took my hot dog!
There's the water.
What is your,
Hey,
what
why
is
would the...
Hey, hey, you want
No.
me to I'll bring it to you.
I love my cheeseburger.
Here, I'll bring it to you, okay? Stand right here.
Mine. Mine.
I can bring your thingy back.
It's my cheeseburger. Go away. My
Bring your
cheeseburger.
sausage back, come on.
Sausage back? What? No, it's my cheeseburger. Go away.
Give me
No.
my cheeseburger back! It's my
No.
Mickey D's.
Mickey D's. Go away. It's my cheeseburger.
No, give me the cheeseburger.
No, it's mine. Go away.
You're not small. You're not small at all. You can't be. No.
I'm stuck. Oh shit. You better eat that dead body you just did.
I could eat a horse, hooves and all.
You can't waste these dead bodies everywhere. That's like wasting food.
Anything.
Hey guys.
What the hell?
Hey guys, my friends.
You're never
Oh! Why'd you kill him? He was my friend! Bad dog. Bad dog. You bit him. Bad dog.
Who's the murderer?
Stop biting him! Stop biting people! We're supposed to make friends.
It's Leonardo Dick.
Bad dog. I had to put him down.
Yeah, thank you. I didn't want to put the dog down, but he was biting people. Alright, who's my friend? Are y'all my friend? Are y'all my friend?
Liar.
Are y'all my friend? Alright. Now the true question though is, who is my true friend? Who will stick to me by my side if I do this? Who will stick by my side? I need true friends. None that will run from me. See, there we go. I got some true friends. Alright. Alright, it's time to send me off. It's time to send me off to the sea. Send me off to the water, boys.
Who has the gun?
I will jerk off while you guys shoot me. Actually, no, I won't. I won't jerk off. Who has the gun? Come over here to the water and send me to the water. I must be sent to the water the right way. I know someone's got a gun. Oh my.
Someday, this will all be a bad memory.
Where the hell's the gunner? I need to be sent to the water. It's my duty to die for my country.
Meh.
Alright, Jay's... What? What the fuck? What? What's going on? What is people... Oh, who got it? Who has it? X-ray, pull out your gun. You got the gun, dude. You looted the gun off the ground. Alright, come over here. Stand right here where I'm at. Stand right here. Alright, now, shoot me. No! Why? 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 Shoot me! Put me in the water! I want to go in the water. I want to go. I just want to go in the water. Who took the gun? Who the fuck has the damn gun? God damn it!
You shot me.
I'm a bystander again.
Me too.
Oh my god.
Oh
You
my
stabbed
god.
me.
Whoever was that dog that got in his way, I had to kill you.
Again.
You had to be punched for getting in the gunner's way.
It was- I'm gonna get a hot dog before the guy does.
Don't ever get in that gunner's way again.
God,
He
I'm
was
done.
supposed to send me into the water.
I'm done. I got a
Oh.
hot dog now. No, give me my hot dog.
Alright. Let's go.
Give me my hot dog.
Let's go, people. We got an adventure.
Bro.
I'm done. My hot dog now. My hot dog.
Alright,
My
people.
hot dog now.
Alright, everyone. It's time to go into the water, okay? Follow me.
I just
We must all go in the water.
Alrighty.
Whee! Yay! Someone else got in the water too. Someone else knew it. I'm guessing that was you, Boomstick. No, it was not him. At least I'm not the only one in the water. See, you know what you're doing. You're fucking awesome, man. You fucking did it. Everybody else don't know what they're doing.
I fucking knew it. That fucker.
Oh fuck.
He was lucky that I skinned his head and not even hit him.
I guess next round.
I'm wondering a question. Last round, did you kill me?
Yep. I knew exactly who you were after you said you were Papa. I knew who you were.
You probably knew what I was by the sound of my voice.
Yep. Your voice is very distinct.
Why'd you kill me in the first place? I wasn't gonna rat you out. Because I didn't know who you fuck you were. Actually, I know who you were, but I didn't know what role you were.
Yeah, but if I pulled out the knife, I knew you would rat me out. That's why you went out first.
Yeah, hey, did you pull it out in front of me? No.
Nope, behind you.
If you would have waited until I wasn't there and did that. To be honest, dude, I was gonna shoot you, but you jumped in the water.
It was an
Were
adventure.
you a murderer or something?
No. I just wanted to go on an adventure in the water with everybody. And only one dude jumped in with me. It looks like somebody else got in the water.
I was gonna shoot you.
You would have died.
Aiming right at your head.
You would have died anyways.
Yeah,
If you were
no, actually, you just blind yourself.
No. This server, no. This server, when you shoot a bystander, you actually die, not the bystander. They made a difference for you.
I just knew it was gonna be one of those days.
This is way different.
Man, I thought
So you would have died in the end.
I find a lot more brutal as if you blind and drop the gun.
No, it's not brutal. That's just fucking cheap. Because then you can kill someone with the gun instead of you dying.
Yeah, and you can kill someone with a gun, and then the murderer can get you blind.
It don't matter. It just means you killed the fucker you wanted to kill with the gun anyways. That's why they prevented that.
things will all be a bad memory.
Shit, that was funny. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye!